In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view speaker notes in the Google Slides app. Now, if you've ever found yourself needing a seamless way to glance at your speaker notes while presenting from your mobile device, this guide is tailored just for you. Understanding how to access your speaker notes will help you deliver presentations more effectively and with increased confidence. Let's dive right in to ensure that you're fully prepared to engage with your audience while keeping track of all your important talking points. First things first, you'll need to have the Google Slides app installed on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, head over to your App Store and search for Google Slides. It's a free app, and installing it is as easy as clicking the download button and waiting a few moments. Once you're all set up and have installed the app, open it and navigate to the particular presentation you want to work with. Make sure that your slides have the necessary speaker notes added, which you might have already done using the Google Slides web version on your computer. When you open the presentation within the app, look for the Present button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it, and your presentation will launch in full screen mode. While in this full screen view, feel free to swipe through your slides to familiarize yourself with the content. It's here just one more small step to bring your speaker notes into view, ensuring you're entirely ready for showtime. Now, to bring up the speaker notes, tap on the three-dot menu icon either at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your device's orientation. This menu usually contains a few options related to your presentation settings. From this menu, simply select the option for Show Speaker Notes. Once you have done this, your speaker notes should appear in an overlay or at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to glance them while still keeping your main slides front and center for anyone viewing your presentation. Take a moment to adjust to this setup, making sure you are comfortable with how the notes overlay onto your slides. Practice navigating between slides and see how smoothly you can switch your focus between your notes and the main content. A smart tip here is to enlarge text within your speaker notes for easier reading during live presentations. This adjustment helps reduce eye strain and keeps you more focused on the task. And there you have it. You're now all set to view and use your speaker notes effectively within the Google Slides app. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance how you interact with your audience and manage your presentations on the go. Remember, the key to a successful presentation lies not only in the content of your slides, but also in your ability to convey your message clearly and confidently. Happy presenting, B.